It's still Monday, April 12th, 2021. Got people out and about playing music, doing all type of stuff, hanging out with family, yard work. It's great to see. And this came up really well at Menards. Crab grass preventer works wonders. Very pleased, very pleased. But today it's all about, well, of course, the brute. But today, first day of the year, we're using the Worx line. Great blower, great edge and trimmer. Let's get to work. The problem with cutting when the ground or the grass is so moist is you get clunks everywhere. So now, not only do I have to trim around the gate and some edging, very little over there by the sidewalk, I have to rake now. But now's a good time to address certain things I want you to look out for when you're seeding or working in your lawn. The reason why you want to make sure that the lawn is no more than 2 inches is because when the blades get so high, they start blocking out sun. They block out sun, and then what happens is some of the blades get so long that they stop other blades from getting the sunlight that they need. On top of that, your lawn, it needs air, okay? It needs air, it needs sunlight, it needs water, and if it's just so thick, trust me, water's gonna set in like I've explained before, and you'll eventually, it's gonna happen. You're gonna get a fungus. You're gonna get some brown when it gets extremely hot outside. You know, some brown, not a lot, but some. But again, when you have all those other things working against you, your lawn is gonna look dead. So keep that in mind. Keep it cut, fertilize every so often, and don't water too much. So now let's do some trimming and edging. Before I begin, you know what I like about this? There's no pulling of a cord. You just press the button here, and then while you press the button, you hit the level here. And if you want to give it more string, you just push this as you cut. It's so simple and so easy to change the spool. I mean, if you're looking for something for smaller yards, and this isn't a big yard, but this equipment will do. Great job, guys. Couldn't have done it without you. Man, now I have to do some raking. I have to get the clunks up here. This stuff will dry up and the sun will burn it, and it'll burn spots in your grass. So get this stuff up. Don't let this sit in your grass. Nice though, right? I think so too. Don't let it linger on your lawns too long. Just get it up. When you're raking stuff up, this is what you want to see. Hardly see any brown. That's a good sign. So we started off the year okay so far. Oh yeah. You probably don't notice this, but the thing about your grass being so wet or moist is that when you cut it and rake it afterwards, you're gonna get grass sticking up that you didn't really cut. So I'll go over it one more time. Not making any sense, guys. They're registering right now. So you just want to take care of what's yours and do the best you can, that's all. And it's a process. It really is. It's not gonna happen overnight. I still got a lot of work to do. I have high and low spots, but in due time, I'll take care of it all. All right. You guys know my saying. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.